Welcome to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today I wish to share some of my travel experiences at Kashi or Varanasi. The history of Kashi is documented right from 3000 years ago. Spelling the name Kashi brings vibration in the human body. Also known as Benares, the city is located on the banks of river Ganga. Kashi or Varanasi is the city of temples. You have them in every nook and corner. Among the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple stands tall. Also prominent are Durga temple, Mahadev temple and Bharat Mata temple. There is no city in the world which has 100 ghats, cremation sites and praying ghats. The topmost activity that a traveler should never miss is the glorious evening Arati of Kashi. It is one moment that you will cherish forever. The rituals unfolding for the Lord is a treat to watch. The lamps made of brass come to 4.5 kilograms. One of the famous saris of the city is the Banarasi sari, made of gold, silver and popular for its zari. Prior to 5 decades and even today, many Indian people have the notion that a bath in the Ganga will relieve the past diseases. This can be true to a certain extent. The temple of Kashi Vishwanath, so old that it has been stated in the Skanda Purana. There is another myth which states that the city stands on the trident of Shiva. There are 3 temples which act as the 3 points for the trident. They are Omkareshwara in the north, Vishweshwara in the middle and Kedareshwara in the south. As per the local folklore, there are 8 Kal Bhairavas who guard the city. Ashtadikugalu. The temple for these gods are present in the 8 cardinal directions and protect the sanctity of the Kashi Vishwanath temple. In fact, this city is believed to be the abode of Lord Shiva. In fact, the temple of Lord Shiva, known as Kashi Vishwanath temple, is known as one among the 12 Jyotirlingas. If Delhi is the capital of India, then Varanasi can be called as the spiritual capital of our country. In fact, it was believed that if anyone died in Kashi, their soul goes to heaven and there will be no rebirth. If